In this video of the perfect momentum strategy, we are going to go over the properties tab, and the way you access that is by clicking on the gear here for settings. There's three tabs: inputs, properties, style. Click on properties. Now the properties tab allows you to control your capital settings, so you can put in the amount of money you're using to trade. And then here you would select your currency. I'm going to select USD since I'm here in the United States. And then you can select your order size for your trade. So every trade you entered, you want to use how much of your initial capital to enter a trade. You can use your full amount. Another thing you can do is also use percentage of equity or contracts. Percentage of equity allows you to compound. So if you wanted to use, say, 100% of your equity as it grows, then you can do that by using this option. You can, of course, also choose less. Pyramiding, you don't have to worry about it. There's no pyramiding in this strategy. Here you'll set your commissions for the exchange. Just be wary if it's a limit or market order. And remember that every time you enter or exit a trade, the exchange does take a commission, so you want to set that. And what I like to do here is also put my slippage into this, so I can estimate what the slippage will be, and then I also incorporate that into the commission numbers, so everything calculates down here in your strategy. This specific, you don't have to worry about that with the perfect momentum strategy for verify price for limit orders. We just talked about slippage to add that into your percent up here. And then I like to do recalculate on every tick. So as soon as any bar closes, your strategy will recalculate. You don't have to use after order is filled. So that's it for the properties tab for the perfect momentum strategy. Thanks for watching.